everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're joining me today. Today I have a fun project to share with you. We're going to be making a wedding themed card. June is around the corner, and so wedding themes are perfect for this time of year. We're going to be using the Simon Says stamp to the Happy Couple 6x8 stamp set. This is part of the new Celebrate release. This is actually the bundle, so there's a coordinating die set that will go with it. We're going to be using that on our card. The coordinating die set will actually cut out all the greetings too, which is really nice. I think it will even cut out the smaller ones. So how nice is that? I don't know if there are two sets or one set, but I'll link it down below. We're also going to be using a new embossing folder. This is called the Flower Buds Unfolding. It's beautiful. We're going to put this in our background. And let's jump in and do some stamping. And then we're going to COPIC color our card today. I thought this little girl was so sweet. And maybe this gentleman and this lovely young lady. We're going to stamp with Memento ink because we'll just keep these out. My coloring today is going to be pretty basic. Really all we need are skin tones and maybe a little pink for those cheeks, but that's it. I love how fine line these are. I'm going to show you the colors that we're going to be using, and then I will zoom in. We're going to play a little bit of music, and when I'm done coloring, I will catch you back. Coloring's all done, and I always have the worst time with the black, but I think that turned out good. I just used my black Copic and then my C7, which is pretty dark gray. I think it turned out okay. I went outside the lines here. Let's see if we can do that. I'm going to use my white gel pen and try and clean up my mistake here. Go ahead and separate our dies. I'm actually going to use the hearts. There's a heart image in our stamp set. Let's go ahead and separate these. We're going to do our die cutting all at once. So I'm bringing back my stamping positioner. We're going to stamp our greeting And I think we'll stamp a couple because I'm not sure of the layout of my card yet. I like happily ever after, happiest day ever. And then congrats, we'll stamp that. Love Sweet Love is really cute. Let's stamp Happy Ever After. Maybe Best Day Ever. Options are always nice. Okay, I was going to heat emboss with some silver embossing powder, but I think with the black tuxedo, we might as well just go with our black ink. So let's stamp this. Okay. And then I'm going to take the coordinating dies and die cut out our greetings as well. So we have our bride and groom. Now I'm going to take the coordinating hearts here. Now we have 2 hearts that are in our stamp set. They'll actually cut out these hearts here, but they're pretty on their own too. I'm bringing in some silver glitter cardstock. This is from Altenew. This is the, I'm not sure what the name of this set is. Oh, I'm going to be using the Altenew's cardstock set. This is Milky Way. This has some real pretty white glitter on here that I think will work wonderfully for my card. And I will die cut out 2 hearts with this, maybe 3. Sometimes 3 is always a great number. I'll run this through my die cut machine. So we have our glitter hearts. Now I have an A2 panel that's going to be for my card base, and I'm going to be using my Sunny Studio Stitched Arches die set. I'm going to take the largest, and I thought we would create an archway in our background. And maybe we should do a smaller one. Let's see. Yeah, we'll do the smaller one. I'm going to center this, and I'll tape this down, and then after I have this window cut out in my A2 panel, that's where I'm going to go in with my Flower Buds Unfolding embossing folder. I'm going to take the panel with the window in it and emboss it. I'll be right back. And we have our beautiful background. I'm going to take this panel, we're going to put some foam tape behind it. I put foam tape behind my embossed panel. We're going to adhere it to the front of our card base. It's going to cover the entire front. I think that's beautiful. And then what we're going to do next is arrange our bride and groom. Okay, I've played around with my placement, and I think this is a great spot. So I'm going to tack down my little girl. This gentleman is going to be actually 1 level higher than our girl. I'm going to add a small foam square behind the bottom of my greeting. And then we can add a little bit of glue over here. Okay, lastly we're going to bring in some of my Simon Says Stamp Moonshine sequins. And I haven't broke this out in a while. This is my Spectrum Noir Sparkle Pen. I think this goes perfectly. Maybe I should shake it up a bit. Oops. We're going to add some sparkle to our bride's dress. Uh-oh. Maybe that's a little too much sparkle. Okay. And that will finish off my card today. A fun, happily ever after card. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.